today I'm in Victoria. I'm just visiting a cousin of my wife, so we're hanging out there with the three of us, visiting the families. Lucky enough I've been able to borrow a bike. So I'm going up a little mountain here. I got some directions on how to get up, and obviously me being me, I've already gotten lost, so I'm on a dirt road rather than a normal road. But I thought, you know what, there's two ways of getting up here. It's either the dirt road or you can go this way. So I thought, you know what, how about I go on this dirt road? It's only a little 250 that I'm riding on, so I'm feeling a bit more confident than with my own bike, because I'll be able to, you know, if I get off balance a little bit, I'll probably just be able to kick it back up a little bit. So that should be fine, as long as we're not going to see anything crazy here, which I assume we won't. So it's been lovely. It's been a beautiful weather. For me, it's the first time I'm in Melbourne. It's been great. Like, the weather's been amazing. A lot of the time you hear about Melbourne is it's 4 seasons in one day, so it's not always great, but I think we are very lucky with this long weekend. So now I'm out in nature, which is quite nice. Just hope none of this is slippery, because it is bumpy. Yeah, being on a 250 is quite nice. It's been a while. You forget how easily maneuverable they are. A lot more flickable. Especially my bike. My bike is a bit of a boat. Sun is going down. Beautiful light. It's that golden hour again. I can get a few shots off the bike when I get to the top. A few bits and pieces from Melbourne. I tried not to film too much while we're out and about, just so we actually hang with the family. Obviously I need to film a little bit because I can't help myself. Very corrugated, this stuff. Oink, oink, oink. Dig, 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 dig. I don't know what gear I am in. I've got the luxury now of just looking at the indicator, the gear indicator. Now I gotta go back to basics and actually count, which is always better to do anyway. But just because I don't know this bike, I can't feel exactly what gear I'm in. I'm thinking I'm in second gear. That's my guess. So apparently this is actually quite a nice road. I really like it. Right in nature. And I can definitely feel the colds. So part of the reason why we're in Melbourne is that we wanted to have a test flight, because we're going to Holland in a few months, and we wanted to see how the baby would go with going up and down, because babies, they can have, and small children, they can have problems with the air pressure. So mainly when you're going up and down, it can cause them a lot of pain. We wanted to see how he would handle that, if he had any problems with it in the first place. And so far he hasn't, so it's been awesome. So yeah, we're going to Holland, which is awesome, so finally my family can actually get to meet the little one. It'll be great to see everyone again. We're planning to do a stopover in halfway through and stay at a hotel, so we can break up the flight, because 24 hours is a very long time. So we're thinking of spending the night, and that way we can just have a sleep, recover, and then do the next part, just in case the little one doesn't want to sleep. Then we're up the whole flight. And of course I'd love to do a couple of vlogs in Holland. My dad, he has 2 bikes, so hopefully I can borrow one of them and maybe do a few little trips and show you around what it's like in Holland, and you know, how things are a little bit different. Maybe show you a little bit about other things not as related to motorcycles, but you know, the life on a push bike, for example, and those type of things. So if you want to know why I am the way I am, you probably want to have a look at those vlogs, but that's still a few months away. Trunks of the trees, they're all black, So they've had a bit of a bushfire. I don't know if it was controlled or not controlled. Victoria can get pretty bad bushfires. We've had a few years ago we had a really bad one where people, families lost a lot of houses, and also I think quite a few lives as well, which is always a bit scary when you live out in the bush. Can you imagine on a rainy day around here? It'd be pretty slippery and muddy. I love exploring. I love just, you know, going on roads that I don't know, and especially ones like this where you're more out a bit in the bush where, you know, not many cars around, so it feels like you're a bit more on your own. But I can see along this road there's lots of property, so people have nice big properties, and being able to live in the bush be quite nice. I think we made it almost to the top. Whew, I'm getting cold. Alrighty, now where do we go now? I'm gonna guess left, but it would be nice to see some. Okay, a little town here. Apparently these people are called the hill people, as you can guess, because they live on the hill. SkyHigh Mount Dandenong. Let's check that place out. There we go, windy roads. That's what we want. I've been told there's lots of push bikers out here. People don't like them. See, I come from a push bike country, so I'm the opposite. I don't mind them at all. And people here, they don't have the patience for them. And I have to say, in Holland, which I will show you, is very different. The way it's actually catered a lot more for push bikers, and a lot of the time they're separated from the main roads, so the two don't really get together too much, which, you know, less dangerous and also less frustration. Don't pull out on me. Freezing, but it's great. Little bikes, it's always nice because they're very flickable, as you can tell, but also it just feels like you're going faster. It's like blah, blah. I don't actually know what the speed limit is around here. I'm sure it will come up at some point. Oh, what? Do we have to go pay? Pay $2? That is ridiculous. I don't actually know if this is a viewing point or what the go is. Hey gang! Good. Is there just a viewpoint here, or?
Yeah, it's the view of Melbourne and the Bay. That's its main thing.
Okay.
It's also sculpture park, gardens, cafe, restaurant, that sort of thing.
Okay.
It's $2 a bike.
Okay. Even if I don't really park and just have a quick look.
Yeah. Yeah. I've got counters and cameras and stuff. I have to charge everyone, mate.
Okay. All right. That's alright. I think I've got some change in my pocket actually. Beautiful day.
Yeah, not bad for winter.
Yeah. There we go.
I'll leave you one of those. Give you a rundown on the place.
Thank you.
Yeah, just parking up. There's plenty of parking.
Sweet, no worries. Cheers. Are you closing anytime soon, or?
Not till 10:30.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. So is it nice at night?
Hey?
It's nice at night for the view?
Good night, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. These are the best holidays when you're just away for a few days, but just away from home, so you can just relax, don't have to worry about anything. Ooh, it's getting a bit cooler. Love it. Absolutely love it. Might have to take the missus up here too, I think. This helmet, by the way, it lights up in the middle of the night. When it's dark, all the whites actually lights up. It's pretty cool. Where would you go in Melbourne? I haven't been here before. What would you recommend checking out? There's heaps of things to see, but we only have a limited time. So when we get back, there's probably heaps more to see still. Beautiful scenery out here, but unfortunately there's a bit of a haze, so you can actually see all the way to Melbourne and see the skyline, but unfortunately not for you guys I think, but we might come back a bit later, next couple of days, so we might try it again. Beautiful out here, but I need some more clothes I think. It's beautiful. Amazing. Very quiet during the week obviously. Super short vlog, but good to see you guys, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Probably see you in a couple of weeks. So the big takeaway is when you go to Melbourne, make sure you bring a beanie because it's cold out here. And as always, thank you for joining me on my journey. Catch you later. Woo! Remind me to take some extra jumpers on next time. Woo!